I'm Michael Gray, Vice President of Sales here at Exhibit Edge, and I want to introduce you to the Aura and give you a little tutorial about how to set it up. The Aura is a physical graphic background to use for teleconferences. So let's start with the chair that you're going to put it on. The only requirement for a chair is that it has a little bit of a curved background, so the graphic will curve and be stable once it goes on. A couple of things to notice. See how the seat heights are the same, but the chair back heights are different? The higher the chair back, the higher the graphic will be above your head, which can be important. You can always adjust a laptop or a camera to work with the height that you're given, but look for a higher chair back when possible. That gets more of the graphic above your head. Another thing to think about is the chair that swivels. When it swivels, your background moves with it. So if you can get a stable chair with a high height back, that's going to be your best option. So I'm going to move this guy out the way. And I want to show you, here's what you're going to be getting in the box. So in the box is the instructions, a top stiffener, and the actual graphic. Now when you pull the graphic out, it's going to be spring-loaded a little bit, so be prepared. Okay, so the graphic, when you see it, will have 3 slots. And these slots all go towards the bottom of the chair, where this will be the top of the chair. It'll come with 2 side stiffeners to prevent it from flopping over. It could damage the graphic if it flops over. That's why I recommend having 2 people to install it on the chair. So I'm going to bring Dan in. Ask Dan to hold the top. So in your packet, which there are instructions, there's also going to be a Velcro harness. So you just want to separate the harness. Some strong Velcro. And then once you separate the harness, you're going to, it's going to have a 3-way. Okay? So you want to have the soft side facing out in the back when you first start to install it, and I'll explain why in a minute. So you put the one through the middle, and one on each side. Okay? And just always have somebody holding the top until you can curve it around the chair, which will create the stability and keep it from flopping over. So let's go behind the chair now. And get the person to hold it so this middle slot goes right at the top of the chair back, right there. Okay? And then we're going to pull one side and then pull the other side. Get it a little tight. Creates that curve, and now you can let go. The only thing left to do is put the top stiffener, will kind of flatten it out a little bit. Only at the top. But just start it on one side. And work your way across. Okay? So now, once it's in place, you're just going to adjust your camera to kind of just get inside the edges and at the top. So you see how a taller chair back will get more of the graphic above your head. Simple as that. Just be careful. I recommend 2 people just for the safety of the graphic. Okay, thank you. Take care and enjoy.